Hello guys, so in this video we'll solve this problem repeated string. Leela has a string S of lowercase English letters that she repeated infinitely many times. Given an integer and find and print the number of letters A in the first 10 letters of Leela's infinite string. For example, if the string is A, B, C, A, C and N is 10, we have to consider the first 10 characters of infinitely repeated string, which is the main string is this, and this string is infinitely repeated, so we have to consider first 10 characters of it. So the first 10 characters of it is this, that is, these are the 5 characters, and these 5 characters are repeated again, then we will consider will be considered as first 10 characters. And in this first 10 characters there are 4 occurrences of A. So if you see, there are we we can use the logic of multiplication in this. That is, we can find the number of A's in original string. That is, here in the original string the number of A's are 2, that is here A and A. And if n is 10, we just have to divide this 10 by the length of the string, and then we have to multiply the result into the number of A's in the original string. That is, here n is 10 and length of the string is 5, that is 10 divided 5 equal to 2. So we have to multiply 2 into number of A's, that is number of A's are also 2, so 2 into 2 equal to 4. So the number of occurrences of A's in the first 10 characters is 4. So we can use this logic in our function. So as a string to repeat and n the number of character to consider. So the output will be, we have to print a single integer denoting the number of A's in the first n letters. So here the number of A's in original string is 2. We have to consider the first 10 characters. So 10 divided by length of the string, that is 10 divided by 3 equal to 3, and the number of A's in the original string is 2, so 3 into 2 will be 6, and here the remainder comes out to be 1. So we have to again consider one more character, that is this A, first A. So the number of total A's in first 10 characters will be 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to 7. So we will use this multiplication logic to write our function. So function will be long int count to count the number of A's, then again int mod equal to and mod strlen, that is string length of S, and then we have to write int multi equal to n divided by strlen of S. So it will give us the multiplication factor which we have to multiply to the number of A's in original string. So we need a for loop to find the number of A's in original string. This for loop will run till strlen of S I plus plus. So if S of I equal to A, then we have to increment the count by 1. So this for loop will give us the number of A's in original string. So after that we just have to multiply our count with the multiplication factor. So it will give us the number of a's in the multiplication factor. If mod is not equal to 0, if we consider this example here, the mod will not be equal to 0 because it will give 1 as a reminder, that is 10 divided by strlen, that is string length of aba, that is 3, that is 10 divided by 3 will give us the mod of 1. So here we need to consider one more character. So here if mod is not equal to 0, then we have to consider more characters. The count will be bigger than this count. So for that we need another for loop starting from int j equal to 0, j less than mod, and j plus plus. In this for loop we have to check if s of j equal to a. So the count will be incremented here, and this will give the final count, after which we have to return the final count. So this will do our function. We have to run our code to check if it is working or not. So while the code is running, please subscribe to my channel. We will submit our code. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more information about the HackerRank solution so our code is successfully run. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you guys.